Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to turn on dark mode on Wattpad. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. You all have to do is go to Wattpad application in your mobile phone. Okay guys, here in your Wattpad homepage, okay, click the profile picture on the upper right side on your screen. And after that, click the gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. And okay guys, here in settings, okay guys, you can see the dark mode. So okay, click dark mode. And okay guys, here in dark mode, you can turn on or off the dark mode. So okay guys, that's it. And now my Wattpad application or Wattpad account is dark mode. So okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.